Hi there, my friend. Welcome back to English in Action. I'm so happy you're here today. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to say how you feel, but you didn't know the words in English? Maybe you were happy or sad or nervous, but didn't know what to say. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many English learners feel the same way. Today, we're going to fix that. We're going to talk about something very important: feelings. Emotions are a big part of life, and being able to express them in English is a huge step in becoming confident. But wait, don't worry. This lesson is simple, friendly, and real. We'll learn short, useful phrases that real people say in daily life. You'll understand them easily. You can listen, repeat, and even write them down if you like. No big grammar rules, no difficult words, just real English, and I promise you'll enjoy this. Here's how to make the most of this lesson. Listen carefully to each phrase. Repeat it with me. Speak out loud. Imagine a real situation when you'd use it. And if you can, write it down or say it again later. This way, your brain will remember it better. It's just like when a baby learns a language. They listen, they copy, and they grow. You can do the same. Also, don't forget, we've got many other lessons just like this one on our channel. From daily phrases to real conversations and English stories. There's something for everyone. So if this video helps you, go check those out too. All right. Are you ready to learn how to talk about your feelings? Let's go, step by step. Just relax and enjoy learning English. Real lifestyle. Part 1. Saying how you feel. Now, let's begin with some simple and useful phrases to talk about your feelings. These are the most basic but powerful ways to express yourself in everyday English. Whenever someone asks you, "How are you?" or "How do you feel?", you can answer with these natural and clear phrases. Let's go through them one by one. Please listen first, then repeat after me. Ready? Number 1. I feel happy. Use this when you're in a good mood or something nice happened. Maybe you had a good day or someone made you smile. Repeat. I feel happy. Good job. 2. I'm tired today. Say this when you didn't sleep well or you worked a lot. It's a great way to share how you feel physically. Repeat. I'm tired today. Perfect. Number 3. I'm a bit sad. This is a soft way to say that you're not feeling great. You can use it if you feel down but don't want to say very sad. Repeat. I am a bit sad. You're doing well. Number 4. I'm excited. Use this when you're looking forward to something. Maybe you're going to a party, starting a new job, or watching your favorite show. Repeat. I'm excited. Nice energy. Number 5. I feel nervous. This one is useful when you have a test, interview, or something new. It's okay to feel nervous. It's part of learning and growing. Repeat. I feel nervous. Well said. If you want, write these down in your notes or repeat them again later. Use them when you talk with friends, in class, or in your journal. The more you use them, the easier they become. Great job so far. You're doing amazing. Now, are you ready for stronger emotions? Let's move on to part 2, describing strong emotions. Part 2, describing strong emotions. Sometimes a simple "I'm happy" or "I'm sad" isn't enough. You feel something stronger. Maybe you're super happy or you're really upset. In this part, we'll learn stronger ways to express those deep feelings. Let's go one by one. Just listen, then repeat with me. 1. I'm really angry. Use this when you feel very upset or mad about something. Maybe someone lied to you or something unfair happened. Repeat. I'm really angry. Try to say it with the emotion. Good. 2. I'm super happy. This is a stronger version of I'm happy. You can use it when something amazing happens, like passing a test, meeting a friend, or getting good news. Repeat. I'm super happy. That's the spirit. 3. I feel terrible. Use this when something is very bad. Maybe you're sick or you made a mistake. It's a strong way to show that you're not okay. Repeat. I feel terrible. You're doing great. Let's keep going. 4. I'm so scared. Say this when you feel fear. It could be before a big exam, during a scary movie, or in a dangerous situation. Repeat. I'm so scared. Nice and clear. 5. I'm over the moon. This is an idiom in English. It means I'm extremely happy. You can use it in fun situations, like getting a gift or winning something. Repeat. I'm over the moon. Great work. These phrases help you show strong emotions, not just simple ones. If someone asks how you feel, now you have more powerful ways to explain. Practice these again later and try to use them in real conversations. Now, let's keep going and learn how to ask others about their feelings in Part 3. Part 3. Asking others about feelings. Speaking English isn't just about saying how you feel. It's also about connecting with others. In this part, we'll learn how to ask someone else about their feelings. These phrases are very natural and friendly. Let's learn them together. 1. How do you feel today? This is a kind and simple question. Use it when you want to know someone's mood or energy, like a friend or classmate. Repeat. How do you feel today? Great. 2. Are you okay? This is something you say when someone looks sad or something feels wrong. It shows you care. Repeat. Are you okay? Say it gently. 3. What's wrong? This is used when someone is upset or quiet. It means you want to help or listen. Repeat. What's wrong? Perfect. 4. Do you want to talk? This is a supportive phrase. You can say this if someone seems down and you want to give them space to speak. Repeat.
Do you want to talk?
Nice job. 5. You seem upset. This is not a question, but a gentle way to say, I noticed something. It can start a conversation with care. Repeat. You seem upset. Very natural. These questions help you be a better friend, classmate, or family member someone who listens and cares. Practice them often. You don't have to use them all at once. Just one is enough to show kindness. Part 4. Responding with support. Sometimes, when a friend or someone close to you feels sad, worried, or upset, you don't always know what to say. But even a few kind words in English can make a big difference. In this part, we'll learn how to respond with care and support in simple English. These phrases are short, sweet, and full of kindness. Let's get started. 1. I'm here for you. This is a beautiful phrase. It means you're not alone. I care. Repeat. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. 2. Do you want a hug? If it's okay in your culture or situation, a hug can mean a lot. This phrase is soft and caring. Repeat. Do you want a hug? Very comforting. 3. It's okay to feel that way. We all feel sad, scared, or angry sometimes. This phrase tells the person that their feelings are normal and accepted. Repeat. It's okay to feel that way. Kind and understanding. 4. I understand. Sometimes we don't need to fix the problem. We just need to say, I get it. I know what you mean. Repeat. I understand. Simple but powerful. 5. Let me know if you need anything. This shows that you're ready to help. You don't have to push, just let them know you're available. Repeat. Let me know if you need anything. Nice and polite. Why these phrases matter. They help you become a more compassionate person, and they build trust in conversations. When someone is going through a hard time, they'll remember how you made them feel, even if it was just a few words. Keep practicing them. You can even role play with a friend or family member, or just repeat them alone while imagining a real situation. Keep speaking, keep growing. Great job today! You didn't just watch a video. You learned real English to talk about your feelings. That's amazing. Here's what you did today. Said how you feel, described strong emotions, asked others about their feelings, responded with kindness. That's a big step forward. Now what? Keep practicing. Repeat these phrases. Say them out loud. Use them in your daily life. Write them down if you like. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Learning English is like growing a tree. Water it every day, and it gets stronger. So, be proud of yourself. You're growing. Check out our other videos too. We've got simple, real English for daily life, all made for learners like you. And remember, you can speak English. Believe in yourself. Keep going. See you in the next lesson here on English in Action. Bye, friend.